our amazing project is that it is an eco-friendly home system where people can live in it, and it is powered by either solar panels and windmills, thus making it so it's more economically friendly, and it makes it so you don't have to use oil and gas and anything else that is not safe for the environment. On the first one, the first prototype was just on paper, and I realized if the sun is shining above it, where would the sun come in if it's powering the solar panel? So if there's no sunlight, no photosynthesis. The best thing we added was the windmills, because that to me seems like a better idea. And the second one, we put it together with cardboard and hot glue. Something that makes a good idea when you experience the trial and error and just continuing what you're doing until you find something that works.